children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do English grammar, the last part of the chapter 6, that is describing words. I hope till now you all have understood what is describing words. है ना? Something which tells us more about the naming words are known as describing words, which describes the naming words. Today we will be doing exercise number H, I and the last is that is J. Okay, now exercise H will be your homework. Why it will be homework? Because it's just the coloring of the pictures given here. The first one is tree, second is a pink dress and third one is a big car. You have to draw here and you have to color. Okay, you have to draw a tall tree, you have to draw a pink dress, you have to draw a big car and then you have to color. Understood? So, we will not be doing that right now. We will be starting with the next exercise. That is opposites of describing words. I have written it on the blackboard. Now see, opposites तो we know. Opposites क्या होते हैं? किसी भी चीज का उल्टा, जैसे tall, short, heavy, light, cold, hot, है ना? So ये सारे क्या होते हैं? Opposite words कहलाते हैं. अब यहाँ पे आपको describing words दिए हैं, उसके आपको opposites लिखने हैं. Okay, the first one has been done for you in your book. You can see children, it is written in red letter. रेड लेटर में जो वर्ड्स लिखे हैं उसी के आपको ऑपोजिट्स भी लिखने हैं. पहला वाला लिखा हुआ है माई फादर इज टॉल. सो आई एम, पापा लंबे हैं लेकिन मैं शॉर्ट हूँ. you can see 3 options are given. First is red, second is thin and third is short. So tall का opposites क्या हो जाएगा? Short, लंबा, छोटा, है ना? So first one will be SHORT, short. Understood? Next, my bag is heavy. मेरा बस्ता जो है स्कूल का वो बहुत भारी है. तो जो भारी का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? हल्का. So your bag is dash. So first option is light, tall और big. Heavy का क्या ऑपोजिट होगा? It is light. हल्का है. So second one will be light. LIGHT, light. Okay, light मतलब हल्का. It is cold today. Please give me some dash milk. आज बहुत ठंडी है. So मुझे dash चाय चाहिए. ठंडी का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? गरम. Yes. So cold, hot. You will tick from the option given here. So cold's opposite will be HOT, hot. Understood? Next, these biscuits are dry. ये बिस्किट बहुत dry है. The plate is dash, long, wet और red. Now, dry मतलब सूखा सूखा. सूखा का ऑपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा? गीला, है ना? So गीले को हम लोग इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? Wet, WET, wet. So dry will be wet, WET, wet. Understood? Next, that is given in page number 28. Sanjeev is happy. Reema is dash. संजीव बहुत खुश है. But Reema क्या है? खुश का opposite? दुखी है. So she is sad. Happy, sad. SAD, sad. Understood? Happy, sad. So here we have learnt about the opposites of describing words. What are they? Tall, short. Heavy, light. Cold, hot. Dry, wet. Happy, sad. Understood? You are going to write this in your English grammar textbook. Now we will be moving on to the third one. Last exercise of the chapter. Okay. Now see what it is written. You have to turn your page and we will be writing it. Okay. Okay. So children, here you can see I have written some of the things on the blackboard. Here also in this exercise you have to mention about the opposites. Now see how it is written. Replace the underline in each sentence word with its opposite form from the strip. Then rewrite the sentence in the given space. You can see a box is given and in that some of the words are written. Here you can see some of the sentences are written in which you can see the underlined words. Now those are the describing words. जैसे हमने पहले opposite किए पहली एक्सरसाइज में, वैसे ही ये वाली एक्सरसाइज में भी you have to write the opposite word, but here you don't just have to write the words, you have to complete the sentence. Okay, so see the first one is the cup is full. full हम लोग होता है ना, कप पूरा भरा हुआ है, तो जब खाली होता है तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? empty. So here you can see EMPTY, empty. So here you will circle it and write number 1. So how you are going to write it here, children? You are going to write the full sentence. The cup is, here the underlined word was full, तो इसका हमने opposite कहाँ देखा? यहाँ देखा. It is number 1. So the cup is full का opposite क्या हो जाएगा? It is empty. Okay. The cup is full, the cup is empty. समझ में आया? कप full है और यहाँ पे कप खाली है. So we are going to write the underlined words का, we are going to write the opposite word. Okay. Next, the old man walked fast. बूढ़ा आदमी जोर जोर से चलने लगा, तो बूढ़े का opposite क्या होगा? जवान. So old will be young. Opposite of old will be young. So here you can see number 2. Okay, so you will write here the young man walked fast. Now see children, you don't have to change anything in the sentence, only the word which are given there you need to change that word only. Okay, the young man walked fast. Okay, now the third one is the doll is beautiful. Beautiful means बहुत ही सुंदर, तो सुंदर का opposite क्या हो जाएगा? She is ugly, है ना, खराब दिखते हैं. So the doll is beautiful. Here you can see ugly here, UGLY. So you will circle it and write number 3. So the whole sentence you are going to write the doll is ugly, UGLY, ugly. So opposite of beautiful will be ugly, old, young, full, empty. Okay, now 4th and 5th will be your homework. Here I have done 3 sentences. 4th and 5th will be your homework. You are going to do this in your English grammar textbook. Okay, I hope you all have understood this chapter, children. You are going to complete each exercises very neatly in your grammar textbook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.